What if I told you there are AI tools that can literally give you back 10 hours every single week? I'm not talking about some future promise. These tools exist right now, and I've been using them for months. In this video, I'm showing you 5 AI productivity tools that completely changed how I work, and I'll break down exactly how much time each one saves. Welcome to AI Tools. Subscribe if you want to discover the best AI software to work smarter, not harder. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, Notion AI. Price, $10 per month. Time saved, 2+ hours per week. Notion AI summarizes long documents instantly, generates action items from meeting notes, writes first drafts of reports, and creates databases from natural language. The biggest time saver is summarization. Instead of reading 20 pages of notes, Notion AI extracts key decisions in seconds. For project managers, this alone saves hours every week. Tool number 2, Otter AI. Price, free tier available. Pro at $17 per month. Time saved, 3+ hours per week. Otter automatically joins your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet calls, transcribes everything, and generates summaries with action items. Before Otter, I spent 30 to 45 minutes after every meeting writing notes. Now, it happens automatically. If you have 4 or more meetings per week, Otter will transform your productivity. Tool number 3, Reclaim AI. Price, free tier available. Pro at $12 per month. Time saved, 1.5+ hours per week. Reclaim is an AI calendar tool that automatically schedules focus time, finds optimal meeting times, and protects deep work hours from interruptions. After 2 weeks of use, I got 90 minutes more focused work every day because the AI was protecting my calendar. Tool number 4, Grammarly AI. Price, free basic, premium at $12 per month. Time saved, 2+ hours per week. Grammarly now rewrites paragraphs, generates email drafts from bullet points, and adjusts tone automatically. Instead of spending 15 minutes crafting emails, you give it 3 bullet points and get a polished draft in seconds. Over a work week with dozens of emails, this adds up fast. Tool number 5, Zapier AI. Price, free for 100 tasks, paid from $20 per month. Time saved, 3+ hours per week. Zapier connects over 6,000 apps together. New emails with attachments auto-save to Drive. New leads auto-create CRM entries. Weekly reports compile automatically. The AI feature lets you describe automations in plain English, and Zapier builds them for you. Let's recap the total time saved. Notion AI, 2+ hours. Otter AI, 3+ hours. Reclaim AI, 1.5 hours. Grammarly AI, 2+ hours. Zapier AI, 3+ hours. That's 11.5+ hours saved every single week. Over a year, that's almost 600 hours given back to you. The total cost for all premium versions is about $70 per month, less than 1 hour of most professionals' time. You don't need all 5 to see results. Start with the one that addresses your biggest time waster. If you're drowning in meetings, start with Otter. If scheduling is your enemy, try Reclaim. If writing takes forever, grab Grammarly AI, then add more tools as you get comfortable. If this video saved you time, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me which tool you're trying first. Links to all free trials are in the description below. See you in the next one. 30 days ago, I handed my entire business over to AI agents, customer service, email marketing, lead generation, scheduling, all of it. And what happened next genuinely scared me. Because these AI agents didn't just do the work, they did it better than I ever could. And by day 30, my revenue went up 340% while I worked less than 4 hours a week. Here are the 5 AI agents that changed everything. And number 3 is the one nobody's talking about yet. But first, let me be clear. I'm not talking about ChatGPT or Claude. I'm talking about autonomous AI agents that actually do things. They take action. They make decisions. They run processes while you sleep. Agent number 1 completely replaced my customer support team. Relevance AI lets you build custom AI agents that handle customer inquiries, route tickets, and even close sales conversations, all without a single line of code. And here's where it gets insane. Within 48 hours, my response time went from 4 hours to under 30 seconds. Customers started leaving better reviews, sales conversions went up, and I didn't touch a single ticket. Agent number 2 eliminated 15 hours of weekly busy work. Make.com isn't just automation. With their new AI modules, it's an agent that learns your patterns and makes decisions. Watch what happens when I trigger this workflow. One automation alone saved me $2,400 a month in virtual assistant costs. But the next agent I'm about to show you, it makes this look like a toy. Okay. This is the one I need you to pay attention to. Crew AI is not like anything else on this list. It's a framework that lets you create teams of AI agents that work together. One agent does research, another writes reports, a third one reviews the work. They argue with each other. They improve each other's output. And the final result? Better than any single human could produce. I need you to understand how powerful this is. I set up a Crew AI team to handle my content research, and it produced analysis that would have taken my old team 3 days, in 11 minutes. When I first saw the output, I literally closed my laptop and went for a walk. I needed to process what just happened. Agent 4 is the one that finally convinced me I'd never hire another virtual assistant. Zapier Central is an AI that lives inside all your apps, Gmail, Slack, Calendar, CRM, and takes action based on what's happening across all of them simultaneously. And this is what blew my mind. Last Tuesday, while I was at dinner, this agent identified a high-value lead, sent a personalized follow-up, scheduled a call, and updated my CRM. I woke up to a signed contract. No human touched it. The AI handled the entire pipeline from lead to close. The 5th agent is the one that scared me the most. And honestly, it should scare you too. Cursor AI with its agent mode doesn't just write code. It builds entire applications. It debugs them. It deploys them. It's a full-stack developer that works at 100 times the speed and never takes a break. Now watch this carefully. I asked it to build a complete SaaS dashboard with user authentication, payments, and analytics. 17 minutes, from prompt to deployed product. 17 minutes. If you're a developer watching this, don't panic, but do pay attention, because the developers who use this will replace the ones who don't. Now, here's the one mistake that ruins everything. Most people try to automate everything at once. They build 50 automations in a weekend, nothing works, and they give up. Don't do that. Start with one process, the most painful, repetitive task you do every week. Automate that first. Get it perfect, then move to the next one. The people making millions with AI agents started with exactly one automation. That's it. 30 days ago, I was drowning in work. Today, AI agents handle 80% of my business operations. The technology exists right now. It's not coming. It's here. The only question is whether you'll use it or compete against people who do. Drop a comment with the word agents if you want me to do a full tutorial on setting these up from scratch. And if this video showed you something new, that subscribe button is right there.